Good morning everyone. My name is Vidyanand and I am from ECC section. My roll number is 20BQ1A04G4. Today I am going to say about strings. Strings in Python is defined as the sequence of characters within a single quote or double quote or triple quotes. Means in Python we can define the string in single quote by using single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. If we check the type of a string, it will gives you class str. The main property of the strings are immutable. Means we can't change the defined string. Let us go with the examples. Here str is defined as hello Python. If we print type of str, it will show us class str. Print str of 0th index. It gives you the value of 0 index, which is h. Coming to next, we can use the slice operator in strings in Python. The syntax of slice operator is it starts with a square bracket and it have two double colons followed by start and end values. Coming to examples, here the name is defined as hello. If we doesn't define the start and end values in the slice operator, it will take by default it will take the starting and end values, so it will print the whole string which is stored in the variable name. The same way, if it doesn't define the starting value, it will take as 0. If it doesn't define the ending value, it will take as last value. These are the two examples which I mentioned here. If we mention the ending value as 2, it will gives you the 0th and first indexes. So the 0th and first indexes are h and d. It will print he. If we define the starting value as 1 and the ending value as 4, it will gives you the values of 1, 2, 3 indexes. Here the values are e and l. Suppose if we want to print the given string in reverse order, we have to use two double colons followed by negative index. This will give the reverse order of the given string. We can access the string by using negative indexes as shown here. The negative indexes start from -1, -2, -3 and so on, the last value. Okay, let me explain few examples which are related to strings. Write a program that prints h, he, hel, hell, hello. Okay, in order to write this program, first I am going to take a string of name and I am asking the user to give the input with the statement enter the string. This is going to be printed on the user when user need to enter the string, and I am here taking for loop in order to travel throughout the length of the string. For I in range of length of name, here this for loop will travel throughout the end of the length of the name, so followed by indentation print name, and I use here slicing operator semicolon colon, and I am here using I plus 1. Why I am using I plus 1 means, here if we enter, we have to consider the last letter also, so in order to consider this, we are going to use I plus 1. This is the logic for the program, and finally I am going to print the given. This is the code for the program. Enter the string. Now I am going to give my name. This is the desired output. This is the logic for the given program. Thank you. As I said earlier, the property of strings such that strings are immutable, means we can't change any character of the initialized string. So let us execute a program that changes the character at 4th index of the name how are you. So let us declare a string with the name how are you. How are you. This is the string which I have declared, and I have taken an empty string in order to store the output. Suppose if we want to, as I said, strings are immutable. If you want to change this, suppose name of 4 equal to x, and I want to print the name. If you try like this, it throws an error. If you see here, the name x is not defined and string cannot be changed. So if you want to write code for this, we have to take an empty string. So I am taking an empty string with name yes, and I'm writing the code here, s equal to, and I'm using slice operator in order to consider the first 3 characters. For that I need to declare the start value with 0. It's not necessary in order to start the initializing value, and I have to declare the ending value as 4. As we declare 4, it consists of only 3 values, means h, e, h, o, w. This will be considered, followed by, and I want to change the 4th character, so I am changing with the text. Finally I want the remaining output as same, so I am taking the again slice operator, and I want the 5th character from same, so I am taking from 5, and I am not entering the ending value so that it will take to end of the string, and finally I want to print the string, so I am using print of s. This will give the desired output. So let us execute and run it. Say, how are you? A is replaced with x. This is the program in order to change the 4th index with x. So thank you.